Good morning, class 4 children. Today we'll study a new topic, the place where land ends. The place where land ends. The place where land ends. And this is a chapter that we are going to study on page 39. So please open page 39 and listen to my explanation very carefully. The place where land ends. The place where land ends. Have you ever traveled anywhere by train? Have you ever traveled anywhere by train? How was the experience? Share your experience with your friends. Read on to travel with Tina and her family on a journey to a place where land ends. That morning, I didn't mind when Amma woke me up early. That morning, here the writer is talking about a morning. And on that morning, he didn't mind when Amma woke me up early. What happens? This we see, we have faced, even I have faced, even you are facing. When our parents, they force us to get up in the morning, we feel very sad and we feel very angry. But here, the writer on that day did not mind when Amma woke me up early. We had traveled to the station in the middle of the night. I was going to see the bridge that went over the sea. And he wanted to see the bridge that went over the sea. I can't wait. I shouted as I sat with my Amma and Appa in the coach of the Boatmel Express, also known as the Rameshwaram Express. When will it start? I asked again, barely able to stay seated. Tut tut signaled the train and we were off from Madurai towards Rameshwaram. Beta, what happens when we go to Rameshwaram? Then there is a pool on the sea itself, and it is a very dangerous pool also, on which a railway bridge is there, through which the train has to cross it to reach Rameshwaram. So this boy was eager to see that bridge. It was a trip everyone was looking forward to eagerly, and it had been carefully planned. And the name of the bridge is Pamban Bridge. The name of the bridge is Pamban Bridge. Is it clear? The name of the bridge is Pamban Bridge. See beta, here a map is given. India, this is the Pamban Bridge. After crossing Pamban Bridge, we reach here Rameshwaram. From Rameshwaram, we reach to Dhanuskodi. After Dhanuskodi, there is the Ram Setu, which is also known as Adam's Bridge. After that, we go to Talaimannar, and after that there is Sri Lanka. My mother told me a story as our hot cups of coffee arrived. Now, a hot cup of coffee arrived when their mother told him the story. See this, beta. This is the bridge. This is Pamban Bridge. See how dangerous it is. It is built on the sea. She said that when Lord Rama was traveling to Sri Lanka in search of his wife goddess Sita, the ocean stopped him. Now, here his mother is telling him about Lord Rama. When he was traveling to Sri Lanka in search of his wife, goddess Sita, the ocean stopped him. समुद्र ने उनको रोक लिया. Lord Rama requested the ocean to allow them to pass, but the ocean refused. Lord Rama asked the ocean to allow them a pass, but the ocean refused. When he threatened to dry up the ocean's water, the ocean yielded. Now Lord Rama threatened the ocean that I will dry you up. Then the ocean surrendered. Yielded means surrender. The ocean suggested that he build a bridge over the water using stones that floated. Now the ocean suggested to Lord Rama that you build a bridge over the sea, over the water using stones that floated. People believe that Lord Rama built a bridge across the ocean for his entire army to cross over to the kingdom of Lanka. It was a short journey of 3 hours. It was a short journey of 3 hours. I tried to solve some Sudoku puzzles in the newspaper that Appa had bought at the station. And he was doing some Sudoku problems. Sudoku. Because when you see a newspaper, on the last page of a newspaper or last second page or previous page, there is some mathematical boxes are given which you have to solve. This format is known as Sudoku. That Appa had bought at the station. The sun began to rise. Now the sun began to rise, and the fragrance of the ocean breeze filled the air. The sun began to rise, and the fragrance of the ocean breeze filled the air. Everyone was waiting for what came towards the end of the journey. The 100-year-old Pamban Bridge connected the mainland of India with the temple town of Rameshwaram situated on an island. Now see beta, everyone was waiting for what came towards the end of the journey. The 100-year-old Pamban Bridge connected the mainland of India. It connected the mainland of India with the temple town of Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram, it is a temple town situated on an island. The train took 10 minutes. Now the train took 10 minutes to cross the 2-kilometer long bridge. And that bridge was 2 kilometers long, and the train took 10 minutes to cross it. I was left in awe of what I saw outside the window. I was left in awe. Surprise, strong feeling of respect and amazement. Awe means strong feeling of respect and amazement. Look, Tina. Now, look, Tina. Amma pointed to a lighthouse she could see in the distance. Amma pointed to a lighthouse she could see in the distance. The sea surrounded us and we listened to the swish of the waves. Not a word left my mouth as the train glided across the ocean. Glided means move with smooth, quick, continuous motion. Dum dum tuck tuck. It sounded as it went across the central part of the bridge, which could open up to allow the ship to pass through. Appa informed us that the bridge was the only link between the mainland and the island until 1988, when a road bridge was built. We could see the road bridge running parallel to the train track. Okay children, for today only this much. We'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.